Alright. Having learned the lesson from yesterday's video, today we're making pork sirloin chops. Simply add seasoning salt. Lawry's is Mom's preferred. Throw them on the pan. And separate them out so they don't bunch up and not cook on the edges. Of course, as soon as I say that, she shows them together.
Oh yeah, gotta get them all in there. Although the music goes along real good with this.
Oh yeah, it does. It's a masterpiece, so it needs classical music. So you pre-season the bottom of the pan, set the pork steaks on top of that, and then sprinkle the Lawry seasoning salt on top of those. Put them in the oven, cook on 350 for about 30 minutes, or a little less, depending on how done you like them. Mom tends to overcook and love to overcook things.
Put mine on low, so.
And
look,
thanks to the lessons of yesterday, this is the end of the video. We're going to serve it with leftover mashed potatoes and probably dinner rolls.
and some greens if uncoined.
What? We had peas yesterday.
Greens.
And collard greens. Alright. Like, share, and subscribe.